Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine. In today's video, I am sharing with you a very easy pattern of crochet shawl, and I am sharing with you a granny pattern of triangular shape. For this crochet project, I am using a 3mm crochet hook. 2.5 will also be fine, but I want my project to be loose, so I am using 3mm crochet hook. If you want your shawl to be nice and tight, then you can use 2.5mm instead of 3mm crochet hook as well. I have made the shawl in purple and white color already, and I am using this yarn so that the stitches would be more clear. So let's get started. First of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, we would start making our chains. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5. Now first 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet stitch. This loop on the hook doesn't count as anything, and 1, 2, 3. These 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet stitch, and we need chain 1 for the pattern. So total of 4 chains. We will skip these 4 chains and we will work in this 5th chain. So wrap the yarn around crochet hook, go into this 5th chain from the hook and draw up a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn again, go into the same chain, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through first 2, then pull the yarn through other 2 to make a double crochet stitch. Make another double crochet stitch into this chain. Now we have a set of 3 double crochet stitches here. We are going to make chain 1 and then chain 2 for the corner of triangle. Then into the same chain we will make 3 double crochet stitches. 1, 2 and then 3. As we have chain 3 as a double crochet and this chain 1 space here, we will make chain 1 and double crochet here. So make chain 1 and a double crochet into this same chain here, which is our first chain. So this is our first row. You can see the triangular shape from here. Now to start the second row, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch here. Then make one more chain and turn up the work, and we are going to work in this chain 1 space. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3. Make chain 1 now, and in this chain 2 space of our corner, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3. Now make chain 1 and then chain 2 into the same space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3. So in corner chain 2 space we will make 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet stitches. Now make chain 1 and we are going to work in this space So here we will make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3. Now make chain 1 and we have 1, 2 and 3. Here is our third chain. So in this third chain we are going to make a double crochet. Second row is also completed. Now we are going to start the third one. Same pattern, make 3 chains which will be counted as a double crochet and then 1 more chain. Turn up in very first chain 1 space, double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3, chain 1. In the next chain 1 space here, double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3, chain 1. In the chain 2 space, 1, 2 and then 3 double crochet stitches, chain 1, chain 2, 1, 2 and then 3 double crochet stitches. Again chain 1, in the chain 1 space, 3 double crochet stitches, 1, 2 and then 3, chain 1. In this space here, 3 double crochet stitches, 1, 2, 3, make chain 1 and here you can see 1, 2 and third. In this third chain, a double crochet stitch. We are just going to repeat this simple pattern. To start every row, we will make 4 chains and then in every chain 1 space, here, 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 here and here also, we will make 3 double crochet stitches plus chain 1 pattern, and for this corner chain 2 space, we will make 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet. Now, if you want to make your shawl in single color, you can just go on like this. Repeat this same pattern for whole of this shawl and you can make different border edge patterns on this shawl pattern as well. In this chain 1 space, you can make 5 double crochet stitches of shell stitch and then in the next chain 1 space, you can make single crochet. So this border edge pattern is super easy to make and tutorial video is also available on my channel. You can check out. For my shawl, I just made simple shawl without any border edge pattern. So that's up to you. If you are a lover of border edge pattern design, you can make border edges. Now I will share with you how to change the color. So if you are using two different contrasting colors of your for your shawl, then you will change color like this. Wrap the yarn around crochet hook, go into this third chain, draw up a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and leave the other 2. And with this change color of yarn, pull this yarn through these last 2 loops and here in this way we can join the changing color pattern and then same pattern would be repeated for the rest of the rows with the change color. Like we will make 3 chains, then one more chain, start up the work, and in chain 1 space we will make 3 double crochet stitches. So now you can make this shawl with different methods. You can just make 3 rounds with one color, then 3 rounds with the other color, or 4 rounds, 4 rows with one color and 4 rows with other color. Or you can just make whole of the shawl with one color, and just ending few rows will be made with change color, as I have done for my shawl. So if you like this super easy and beginner friendly pattern, give it a big thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to get more videos like this if you are new to my channel. Press the bell icon to get notifications of every future upload. So take care. Bye.